Hello, video guy here. I want to show you something. You can see that I have 6 sign up here, right? 93 clicks and has made $390 from this. What you just saw is a passive income from Fiverr. I was being paid by my customers to do a particular gig and also earning by the side. So it's what I choose to term passive income from Fiverr. I want to show you in this video how to earn passively from Fiverr without doing much work. So I will review the traffic source I used, what I did, websites I used, and every other thing that involves earning passive income from Fiverr. So without further shalaye, let's roll the intro. Please, I want you to do one thing before you start watching the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If this is your first time, leave a comment. Let me welcome you officially to my channel. Okay, and also like, subscribe, leave a comment, share. Okay, to help tell YouTube that I'm doing an amazing work. All right, so having done that, thank you. Let's hit 5K subs before the month end. Okay, please do that for me. I'll be putting out videos every day for you till the month ends. So having said that, let's get right into the video. So you are here to learn how to earn passive income from Fiverr, right? Okay, so this is what I'll be showing you in this video. So brace up, guys, brace up. So first things first, the first step to earning passive income on Fiverr is, first of all, you need to define your niche. Okay, so you have to go on Fiverr. Okay, you have to know the kind of niche you are. If you're offering graphic design services, website design, digital marketing, writing, or any of the niches. Okay, so some niches, this strategy is not going to work for all niches. Okay, but certain niches like let's say design. Okay, website design, okay, writing, YouTube, SEO, etc. Okay, this is definitely going to work. There are so many of them, but this particular strategy I will show you will work for any of these niches. Okay, so first of all is step one, define your niche. Know the niche you are, know the in and out, and you already gotten started. Make sure you have a customer base. Okay, people that already buy from you or people that are wanting to buy from you. Okay, so that's the first step. Then the second step is you have to find tools that have affiliate programs in it. Okay, you now have to define tools that you work with. Let's take for example design. Okay, let's take for example website design right now. Okay, website design has tools like you have hosting, right? You have hosting, you have domain name, you have WordPress, like plugins. Okay, plugins, etc. Okay, so these are tools that you need to deliver others in this niche, those that are under website design niche. Okay, so you should find. Then underwriting, let's say underwriting, we have copyscape. Okay, we have grammarly. Okay, and so on and so maybe let's add Canva. Okay, then under YouTube SEO, okay, you have tools like let's say vidIQ. Okay, you have TubeBuddy and the rest of them. Okay, so these are, remember I told you, find tools that have affiliate programs in it. Okay, so for those that are under website designs, okay, so first step of earning passive income from Fiverr is to first of all define tools that have affiliate programs. That's step 2. So you go to hosting. Okay, hosting, which hosting has affiliate programs in it? We have Bluehost. Okay, we have Bluehost. Bluehost has hosting program. Actually, the screenshot you saw, the first video you saw, the $390 I earned was from this company. Okay, Bluehost is from this company. Okay, so like Bluehost has affiliate program, right? There are other affiliate programs like Namecheap for hosting, Namecheap affiliates. Let's see. Do you guys see it? It has affiliate program. Let's see. Okay. How much they pay? Share ID link. Actual end for every customer. Okay, they didn't specify, but I know they pay a certain amount of money. Okay, they pay a certain amount of money for web hosting from Bluehost. They pay $65 per sign up. I don't know if they notified this on the website. Join today commission. Wow. Oh, they increased it already. Okay, for constant affiliate program, 105 per sale. Do you guys see? Okay, 65. Sorry, how it works. You receive $65 when orders Bluehost. Okay, so these two websites, the Bluehost and affiliate, okay, and Namecheap has two affiliate programs. Okay, so let's assume that I'm a seller in website design niche. Okay, and I have a customer that needs hosting, that needs a domain, that needs to buy plugins. Okay, plugins, you can get plugins. I think there are affiliate programs for almost all plugins. Okay, so let's assume that a customer from Fiverr wants you to design a website. Definitely you are not going to pay for the hosting. No, it's the customer that will pay. So all you need to do is find tools that this customer needs. Hosting, she needs to buy, or he or she needs to buy a hosting, right? Domain, he or she needs to buy a domain. Yes. Plugins, he or she needs to buy plugins. Okay, you are only doing the design. So all you need to do is to find this tool which you already identified that has affiliate program in it. Okay, then you go over to step 3, sign up to their affiliate programs. So go to, let's say, named Bluehost affiliate program. Sign up is very, very simple. Go to Namecheap, sign up for the affiliate program. Then if there is a particular plugin you'll be using, sign up for it. Okay, so once you sign up for it, you go to step 4, which is to pitch those tools to your customers. Pitch to them, like, so when the customer says, okay, I need this website, are you guys conclude? So tell the customers, you need to get a hosting, you need to get this plugin that will help us to deliver your website, right? So once the customer says, okay, yes, let's do it, you send your ref links, your referral link, okay, that will be given to you from this affiliate program like Namecheap or web hosting or Bluehost. Okay, so you send your ref links to your customers. Okay, and once they purchase, you earn money. Okay, you earn. Okay, so it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So let's go over it again. Okay, for those that are under web hosting, we have Bluehost, we have Namecheap, and so many. There are so many of the GoDaddy has so many of them. So I'm just showing you this strategy. Please, you are leaving a lot of money on the floor if you are not doing this. Okay, is the customer's job to pay for all these tools, so it's not yours. Okay, all you need to do is to make sure you do the right thing, which I'm trying to let you know now. Okay, so away from web hosting, let's talk about YouTube SEO. Okay, so first step, we'll know that we'll do YouTube. There are niches like niches like YouTube SEO. Look at now. Let's go to YouTube SEO. Okay. So there are niches on Fiverr, you see, that needs you to, that there are customers that want you to rank their videos for them. Okay, so you know the in and outs, of YouTube. All you need to do is you need tools to rank their videos, isn't it? You need tools. Okay, so the tools that you need, which is in our step 2, find tools that have affiliates. Okay, tools that are used to deliver this order is vidIQ and TubeBuddy, isn't it? Okay, so these two has affiliate program, TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Look at TubeBuddy has affiliate program. Look at it. Okay, you earn up to 50% recurring commission. So each time the customers renew each time the customer renews their subscription with TubeBuddy, you earn 50% commission. That is huge. So let's assume a customer pays $50 per month, okay, on TubeBuddy. 50% is $25. Okay, so do you guys see it? Let me check how much TubeBuddy pay their TubeBuddy pricing. Let's see. Okay, so you see how much we are looking at here. Okay, TubeBuddy costs $9 per month. Okay, for pro plan, $19. Okay, $49, and there's some that will subscribe for $49. $9. Even at that, if you can, and this is a recurrent payment. Okay, so $9, 25% of it is 4.5. Okay, so 4.5 by 12, that's a huge amount of money every year. Let's check calculator. Let's check. It's not huge, but recurring payments like these customers, they pay every day, they pay every month. Sorry, for let's just say 4.5, right, times 12. This is just from one customer, $54. Okay, not much, but if you have so many customers, look at how much you'll be making. Okay, so you that have identified that vidIQ or TubeBuddy has affiliate program, which is our step 3, step 2, sign up for their affiliate program. Okay, sign up, and then you go to step 4, pitch these tools to your customers. For those that are under YouTube SEO, that are offering YouTube SEO gig on Fiverr. Okay, pitch it to them and send them your referral link. And once you send them a referral link, some of them will oblige. Like, you don't just send them say, hey, purchase. No, tell them, okay, this tool will help us to deliver top-notch service. It will help us to make your channel rank, manage your channel better, blah 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 blah. Pitch it to them, okay, as if you are selling to them. Okay, pitch it, and some of them will purchase. Trust me, this works. And when they purchase, you earn your commission. All right. So then the last one I want to also mention is underwriting or design. You can use Grammarly. I don't know if they have this thing, what's it called? If they have affiliate program, I'm not sure, but I'm sure of Canva. People use Canva to design ebooks and all of those things, and also manage social media pages, schedule posts on social media, for Instagram, Facebook, and all of those things. Okay, so Canva is another tool that you can maximize their earning power to earn passively from Fiverr. Okay, so let's just assume you are under social media management. Okay, and your customer needs to manage their website, their page, and needs to use to schedule posts every, like they will use for the month. Okay, this feature is only available on Canva Pro. Okay, so you can pitch to the customer and tell the customer, look, oh, let me go to Canva affiliate. Okay, do they have affiliates? Yes, Canva Pro have affiliates, and you earn as much as $36 for each new pro that sign up with the unique referral link. Do you guys see? $36 per sign up. Wow, this is nice. I will jump on this trend right now. Okay, I never knew this is much safe. I never knew. So back to what I was saying. So if you offer social media marketing, and you know that, or management, you know that Canva, you're using Canva to schedule your customers' posts, make their designs and co. You tell the customers, look, I will need this particular tool, and this tool is very nice, which is Canva. Tell them the pros, sell to them. Okay, once you sell to them, make sure that you already signed up for the affiliate program. Pitch these tools to them, send them the affiliate link, and definitely they will purchase and you earn your money, and they also pay you for your gig on Fiverr. Okay, so I know it's not that simple, but it's very doable, and you are doing less work and earning times 2. Okay, so having mentioned this, I hope you got value for this video. I know some of you didn't see this aspect of earning on Fiverr, but trust me, it works. Okay, so I'll stop this video right here, but before I conclude, if you watched up to this moment, please let me know. I want to know engaged viewers on my channel. Leave a comment, tell me, well done, Tony. Like, leave a comment, leave a nice comment. I will know that you watched up to this moment. Okay, I will appreciate that a lot. And also share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, share this video. We are trying to hit 5K by the end of the month. Please make it happen for me and our community on YouTube. This is Tony signing out now, and I say goodbye for now. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.